Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to be talking about the March into March challenge. I'm Jess, I love all things fitness, healthy lifestyle, and activewear. If you like those things too, definitely subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. So today I'm going to be talking about the March into March challenge. I am collaborating with some other YouTubers, Christina Julia, Jamie from Purely Health and Fitness. So we are doing a challenge for the month of March, and it's a step challenge. So basically we're gonna pick a step count either for the day or the month, and we are going to challenge ourselves to complete that. So I really encourage you to join in the challenge. If you're interested, you can use the hashtag March into March. So what I'm going to be challenging myself with is 10,000 steps a day. And I know that doesn't sound like a lot, that's like the normal recommended, but I don't get 10,000 steps. I'm lucky if I get like 5,000 steps. So I looked on my Fitbit stats, and I originally was gonna go lower than that, but I was like, no, I really wanna challenge myself and get in the habit of getting 10,000 steps. I know it's gonna be really, really hard. I'm not just sitting around on purpose, but my work is more like a desk job. I'm a teacher, but I am also the head of my department. So I teach 2 classes, and normally I would during those classes be walking around, but during the times we're in, I can't walk around the classroom because I can't approach the students. So I do find myself just standing at my desk area a lot, and sometimes even sitting. And of course I'm sitting at my own desk throughout the day in my office. So I'm really gonna have to push myself to like take some laps around the halls and after school get out there. Thankfully, I'm hoping that we will be getting into more spring-like weather. It's been a tiny bit milder. I live in Boston, so it hasn't been quite as freezing cold. It's been like 40 instead of 20. So I'm hoping that that will stick and that we'll get some nice weather, because that I think will make all the difference. I also don't really have access to a treadmill or anything like that. So I do have a bike, but that won't get me any steps. So I'm just gonna do the best that I can and really make it my goal to get my 10,000 steps a day however I can. If that's like, if I'm going to the grocery store and I park further away, I don't know. I really don't know. I'm gonna have to do some like, not research, but like get some more tips, because normally 10,000 steps didn't used to be hard to get, but I think in our times now it's harder. I also think I'm just gonna have to go for walks, even if it's yucky out, you know? So that is my goal. I think also I'm working out at the gym in person as much as I can, and I think that will help too. So 10,000 steps a day. So by the end of the month, hopefully I will get to that goal. I don't know. I think that that is a reasonable goal, but definitely a challenge for me. So I think that you should also try to challenge yourself with some kind of goal. Another challenge, I decided I wanted a mental challenge too. So we've got the physical challenge, mental challenge. I'm doing a no buy March. So I'm not gonna buy anything that's not an essential item. And I think that's gonna be really hard, because if you see all my clothing hauls, I'm pretty obsessed with activewear. So if you see hauls going up, I actually have a lot of stuff filmed, and I probably will do like, you know, put those up, and I might do a video with my Fabletics store because I am currently working with them. But other than that, I'm not gonna be buying as much. So you probably won't really see the result of that, but hopefully I will in my bank account. So I also challenge you, maybe you can add a mental challenge for March as well. So let me know down below if you're gonna participate in any sort of thing for the month of March. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope that you're motivated to take on this challenge with me. Use that hashtag March into March. I will also link all the channels below of our YouTube collaboration. So Christina Julia, Jamie's channel, Purely Health and Fitness. So check out their videos and see what their goals are as well. And I will see you in the next video soon. I will also update you later in the month so you can see how I'm doing. Have a great day. Stay positive. Bye.